don't have a coffee addiction problem.
But we have 3 coffee makers on board the RV. Stick around to find out why we have all 3 and how we use them and when. Hi everybody, I'm Mike.
And I'm Susan.
And we are RV Blogger.
And it's recently come to our attention that we probably have more coffee makers in our RV than you do in your home.
And that seems kind of nuts to me. But anyway, if this is your first time seeing us on YouTube, welcome aboard. We're happy to have you here. We make all kinds of YouTube videos about RVing, and we also have our website, rvblogger.com, where we literally have hundreds and hundreds of articles all about RVing as well. So we have 3 different coffee makers on board our RV, which is really kind of nuts, but we use them all for different situations. So stick around and find out how and why we use each one of these 3 different coffee makers. Go ahead and go to bed, hon. I'll take care of the coffee tonight.
All right, sounds good to me.
I'll be right on in there.
All right.
When we have electricity or generator power, we wake up to a nice fresh pot of coffee from our traditional electric coffee maker.
Hun, you go ahead to bed. I'll go ahead and make coffee tonight.
Oh, thank you. This is our propane coffee pot that we use, and we use this when we're in places where we don't have electricity or the generator hours. You know, there's quiet times and we wake up before we're allowed to turn on the generator, so we don't have electricity. So that would be places like state parks or national parks, or it could be a place like our Harvest Host location or a Boondockers Welcome location where we don't have any electricity at all. And that's when the propane coffee maker is perfect. You just put it right on top of the stovetop, wake up, light the burner underneath it, that heats the water and it percolates just like our electric coffee pot does, but with no electricity. This will take a little while to perk, so I'm going to go back and lay in bed for a little while.
While Mike takes a little nap, I'm gonna get back to work, but I need a little energy. So I pulled out our Keurig single serve coffee maker. This would be coffee maker number 3. I just add in my refillable K-cup, close the lid, decide which size coffee I need. Let's go with this one, and then within a minute or 2 I have a fresh brewed cup of coffee to get me going through the day. So now that we've explained it, it doesn't sound that crazy, does it?
Well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Let us know what you think, and let us know what kind of coffee maker or makers you have on board your RV. We would love to check out what you're doing. And speaking of check it out, if you'd like to check out some of our videos, just click right down below here. And when you do, don't forget to subscribe to rvblogger.com and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every week when we release a new video. So for Mike
and Susan,
thanks for watching.